Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and today we're going to learn how to make skillet cornbread with buttermilk. I think a very important ingredient in your cornbread is your cornmeal, and it's just personal preference. I like white cornmeal versus yellow. The yellow is sweeter and the white is not so sweet. First thing I do is I put all my wet ingredients in a bowl. And you want to mix them up somewhat. Don't have to be completely mixed up. And then in this bowl, I've got cornmeal, a cup and a half of cornmeal, half a cup of regular flour, and this is baking powder, 2 teaspoons, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, didn't get it all out, and a little bit of salt. And you want to mix that up as well. And then you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. And there will be printed out recipes that you can print out if you go to Angie's Southern Kitchen to follow along with and print out. And in the oven I have my skillet with my butter melting, because it always is better if you put it into a hot pan. Got to be careful with this because it's real hot. And you want to put this in the hot oven, and when you pull it out, that's what you'll have. And I have my oven at 375, and you need to bake it for about 20 minutes. Again, I'm Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and today we learned how to make cornbread.